get regular videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us.
Welcome to our advanced facility, where we process millions of tons of sugarcane with precision and speed.
Every day, this facility processes millions of tons of sugarcane, transforming raw materials into the sugar the world needs.
The journey begins in the fields, where high-capacity harvesters collect the raw stalks at peak maturity.
Upon arrival, the raw material is weighed and inspected to ensure only the highest quality cane enters the line. Once the sugarcane arrives at the mill, a mechanical arm takes a sample for quality control. Workers check the thickness and moisture content of the cane. Massive hydraulic systems unload the trucks, feeding the raw cane into the start of the processing chain. Once it arrives at the mill, the sugarcane is mechanically unloaded and begins its journey on the conveyor system.
Initial cleaning removes field debris, ensuring that only pure sugarcane moves forward to the crushers.
A thorough high-pressure wash eliminates any remaining soil or impurities from the outer skin.
Primary choppers break the stalks down, preparing them for the intense pressure of the extraction rollers. The cane pieces, now significantly reduced in size, fall onto another high-speed conveyor belt.
A secondary shredding process exposes the juice-rich fibers, maximizing the efficiency of the extraction phase.
Under immense pressure, the milling rollers extract the raw juice, leaving the dry plant fiber behind.
Multiple stages of pressing and hot water washing ensure that nearly 98% of the sugar is recovered.
In the multi-stage pressing section, hot water is sprayed onto the crushed fiber, dissolving the remaining sugar before the next set of rollers. The collected raw juice is a nutrient-rich liquid that serves as the foundation for the sugar-making process.
Preheating the juice is a critical step that prepares it for chemical clarification and purification.
As the pumps engage, the thermal camera shows the juice rapidly heating up, shifting from a cool blue to intense yellows and reds.
Milk of lime is added to neutralize acidity and precipitate impurities, ensuring a clear final product.
In the clarifier, gravity does the work, separating clear, golden juice from the heavy sediment and mud.
Rotary vacuum filters recover every drop of juice.
Evaporation removes 80% of the water, concentrating the juice into a rich, golden syrup.
The clear juice enters the first of a series of quadruple effect evaporators.
Our multi-effect system reuses thermal energy, making the process both cost-effective and environmentally friendly.
This multi-effect evaporation system reuses steam from the first vessel to heat the next.
Precision sensors monitor the syrup density, ensuring the perfect concentration before it moves to crystallization.
Holding tanks keep the syrup at a precise temperature, ready for the final transformation into sugar crystals.
The hot syrup is stored in large, insulated holding tanks. These tanks maintain the syrup at a constant temperature.
A technician carefully injects a precisely measured amount of sugar dust, or seed, into the vacuum pan.
Expert operators monitor the massicrete, ensuring the sugar crystals grow to a precise, uniform size. Cooling in the crystallizers allows the remaining sugar in the molasses to bond with the existing crystals.
Centrifugal force separates the liquid molasses from the pure sugar crystals at incredible speeds.
The massicrate is pumped into high-speed centrifuges. These machines spin at over 1200 RPM.
A final wash with pure water polishes the crystals, resulting in their characteristic brilliant white color. The damp sugar is discharged, moving immediately to the drying and cooling phase. In the rotary dryer, a constant stream of warm air removes residual moisture, leaving the sugar free-flowing and dry.
Vibrating sieves grade the sugar by size, ensuring a consistent product for every consumer's needs.
We extract every trace of sugar dust, leaving only pure, high-quality crystals for the final pack.
The dry sugar passes through a final vacuum dust extraction hood. Microfine sugar particles are sucked away to ensure.
The dry sugar passes through a final vacuum dust extraction hood.
A final magnetic polish acts as a safety shield, guaranteeing a product of unparalleled purity.
Every batch undergoes rigorous laboratory testing to meet international quality standards.
The analysis is complete, the ICUMSA values are confirmed.
Good, let's cross-reference that with the moisture levels on the report.
Finished sugar is stored in climate-controlled silos, maintaining its freshness and flowability.
The refined sugar is then transported by giant screw conveyors into massive storage silos, ready for packaging.
Automation takes over the packaging line, filling thousands of bags per hour with surgical precision.
For industrial partners, we fill high-capacity sacks using a high-volume automated system.
High-strength stitching secures the bulk sacks, ensuring they are ready for the rigors of transport.
Detailed coding and labeling ensure total traceability for every single bag of sugar produced.
X-ray inspection and precision weighing provide a final layer of security before the product is ready.
Every bag passes over an automated check weigher and through an X-ray inspection tunnel. Robotic arms stack the final product with speed and efficiency, optimizing space for transport.
Pallets are stretch-wrapped to protect the product and ensure stability during the journey to market.
Our automated storage system manages inventory with peak efficiency, ready for distribution. From raw cane to pure crystals, our facility transforms nature's bounty into essential sweetness for the world.
Millions of sugarcane stalks, one perfect result. Industrial excellence delivered.